We are back with another big little recipe. Today we are going to be making a very quick, very delicious lunch or dinner. All you need is jalapeños, sliced bread, pepper jack cheese, your pick of bacon or potato chips, and garlic powder, and you get my new favorite grilled cheese sandwich. So one night I was wondering, what if a jalapeno popper was a grilled cheese sandwich? This recipe is the answer. It has all the spicy, cheesy, super savory elements of a jalapeno popper, but we're rejiggering all those elements into a totally new form, and it goes from being a snack or an appetizer into a really quick, really amazing lunch or dinner. So we have 2 jalapenos per sandwich, which might seem excessive, but it's a jalapeno popper grilled cheese. The jalapenos are supposed to be the star here. Because we're gonna be broiling them, they soften, the flavor smooths out a little bit, so it does have kick, but it's not too much kick. I think it's just the right amount. So we broiled our jalapenos for about 7 minutes. This just got them nice and charred and soft. So they're gonna be tender in our grilled cheese, but still with a little bite. So I'm just using the foil that we had on our sheet pan to cover the jalapenos. Since they're still warm from the broiler, they're just gonna kind of steam in the bowl, and that'll help us take the skins off really easily. This recipe actually has 2 paths that you can take. Bacon is very classic jalapeno popper. It's smoky, salty, it goes really, really well with the chilies. But if you don't eat meat, or maybe you're just not feeling bacon today, another option that is just as good, and I think even better, is potato chips. You could use any kind of potato chip that you love or you have in the pantry. I really recommend barbecue potato chips here. The flavor, I think, is very bacon-esque. And between the two, if I had to pick a favorite, I would definitely pick the barbecue potato chips. So for my second sandwich, where we're gonna have bacon in the middle, you could use butter, but if you have the rendered bacon fat, why not? It adds a really nice smoky flavor to the whole sandwich. So we are all ready to build our sandwiches. Jalapeno poppers, depending on the recipe, it might have cream cheese, it might have cheddar, it might even have Parmesan, it might have a mix of cheeses. This being big little recipes, we are definitely not going to use 2 cheeses. I think the perfect middle ground is pepper jack. So this is melty like cream cheese. It has a little bit of like the oomph of cheddar. Bonus, it also has jalapenos in it. So that jalapeno popper vibe is coming from 2 places, which I think is really fun. So this is where our grilled cheeses diverge. Potato chips, just like pile them on. They are going to get a bit crushed when we top it with our second piece of bread, but that is okay. So this is our jalapeno popper in grilled cheese form. It is all ready, and now we get to eat. Even the grilled cheese without the bacon, just the potato chips, it is so meaty. The cheese is like a little spicy, the jalapenos bring a lot of kick, and then the potato chips, I'm telling you, the barbecue potato chips just send the whole thing over the top. Let me know in the comments whether you would be team potato chip or team bacon. and I will see you soon for another big little recipe.